Hello and welcome to another video in the TMB series of tips. Today I'd like to show you the new self-service password reset feature in Office 365. This allows users to reset their own passwords in case they are locked out of their account or they've forgotten their password. This saves a lot of time and inconvenience and avoids having to call the IT help desk. So let's begin. If we come to www.outlook.com and we proceed to sign in, and at this point we realize that we have actually forgotten our password, or we're not able to sign in because we've been locked out. So we can click here, forgot my password. Okay, and then we're asked to just verify that we're not a bot that's trying to access the account. So we enter the code on the screen and click next, and now we need to go through two steps of authentication. So the first step of authentication that I'll go through here is to approve a notification on my authenticator app. So that's a very quick and easy step to do. Okay, and the next step that I will do is send a text to my mobile phone. So enter my mobile phone number, which matches the number that's already stored on the account, and I'm asked to enter a text message. Okay, and now I've gone through two steps of verification. I am now able to enter a new password for my account and save my password. So I hope that's been useful today. As you can see, very quickly and easily, I was able to reset my own password for Office 365, and that will now synchronize back into my Windows domain account for our on-premise IT network as well. So that allows users to both reset Office 365 and on-premise IT Windows password in one go. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you. Goodbye.